Hello everyone. Today we finally get to prove one of the hardest unit for geometry. Once you get it, it's not that bad. The thing is, there's a lot of things that you need to memorize and know how to use it. So what we have learned so far, and like the angles and the congruency, that will be helpful. So we do it step by step, and in the Unit 3, we taste about what is proof in one of the parallel lines and then the angles. So proof is where you need to find evidence and then to prove something happened, and use your logical thinking skills to collect evidence and then think about what happened next. Okay, so here are some basic properties that we are going to see it very often. There's a couple of them is very often used. So let me go over those axiom properties first. Axiom is the same thing as properties. So the first one, we have reflexive property. Reflexive property we often use. What's reflexive properties means yourself equal to yourself. They usually share a common line that we're going to say that AB equal to AB, or sharing the common angles. It would be angle A equal to angle A, yourself equal to yourself. So here's A equal to A. That's reflexive property. Symmetric property that we don't use that often, but I still want to let you know what is symmetric property. If A equal to B, then B equal to A. So just like commutative properties of multiplication, right? A times B is equal to B times A. Okay. Next one, transitive property is very used often in the proof of geometric proof. So what is transitive property? And on the last proof video in the parallel lines, we talk about transitive properties. So that means A equal to B, B equal to C, and then A equal to C. This is like three items will be they are just equal around each other. A equal to B, B equal to C, and then A equal to C. That's it. So substitution property is obviously substitute. So think about things that you can substitute. So here I give like one example. If B equal to F, A plus B equal to C, then A plus F. Oh, where's F come from? Because that's B equal to F. So the B is over here, and now B goes here. So same position, A plus B, A plus F. The F being replaced to the B. So that is the substitution property. The last one, I see it only once in for a long time. So it's not that important, but still need to know. The whole is sum of its parts. If M equal to A plus B and N is equal to C plus D, then M plus N is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. That means M have this part here and N have this part here. That means all parts inside the M and the N add together. That's it. More often I would see addition property and subtraction property. So you see things adding, that's addition property. You see things subtracting, that would be subtraction property. I would see the most time that I've been see is the reflexive property, transitive property, and substitution properties. Okay, now let's begin writing a proof. Okay, understand proof using axiom properties. Number one, for the parallelogram PQRS below, fill in the reason for the following statement. So the statement is given to you already on the left side, parallelogram PQRS, that's given to you on the top. The second one, we say angle PSR. So we're going to label it. This is how you label it. Please label it together. Because on the test, if you label it correctly, I will give you partial credit. And labeling the picture is very important in this unit of proof. So angle PSR, angle PSR. And also, if you don't label it, I will say incomplete homework and I will take pointer off. So please label it because I have to train you how to label the picture. Is equal to angle PQR, PQR. So those two angles are congruent. So what is the property? You can try to take a guess anytime. That is the properties of parallelograms. Or you can say that the opposite angle of the parallelogram are congruent. That's correct also. So the reason we have many different ways to writing, but the same meaning is good. Next one, we have PR equal to PR, which is here. PR is equal to PR. So we talk about this one, say yourself equal to yourself. These two triangles are sharing the same line here. Okay, so PR equal to PR, that is reflexive property, one of the axiom on the last page. Reflexive property. And the last one, angle SPR. SPR. So this angle right here. Now we're using two lines because with the first line we used the first one already. So we're using two of them. Angle SPR is congruent with angle PRQ. PRQ. So which is talking about this one. Okay, so that is how you're labeling the pictures and why those two angles are congruent. We talk about that these two lines are parallel in a parallelogram. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. So I hope that you see the C angles. So the C angles right here. Do you see the C angles? These two angles are C angles. And every time you see something like a C angle, they are alternative interior angles. So alternative interior angles are congruent when the two lines are parallel. Parallel. Okay? So now let's begin with a real proof. Okay, giving information and they give it to you, we still need to label the picture. And once again, please label the picture. That will help a lot. Angle 1 is congruent with angle 2. Well, looking here, that is the giving information. We always begin with the giving information and what the giving information to tells you the next step. Okay. Next one, do you see angle 2 and angle 3? What angle are they? They are close to each other. On the written exam, you can bring your own marker to the test. So angle 2 is congruent with angle 3. What angle are they? We learned this already. So the thing is we have to use all we have learned so far. Okay. Right, they're vertical angles. Okay, just write vertical angles are congruent. That's it. And then last, angle 1 is congruent with angle 3. So looking at this one here, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. And then angle 1 is equal to angle 3. There you can use two different properties. Okay, we talk about angle 1 to angle 2, 2 to 3, so 1 to 3. So that can be transitive properties, or you can just say that, oh, do I just substitute the 1 into the 2 here, right? 2 is equal to 3, and 1 is also equal to 3 because it says 1 equal to 2. In this case, we can say they are substitution properties or transitive property. Okay, So both of them are correct. Okay, I hope this video can help you to understand the basic of proof and how the format looks. Okay, we always begin with the given information and label the picture based on the given information, and then think about what will happen next based on the given information. So labeling the picture is very important, and using the axioms is important, and using what we have learned so far, it will be a lot of help. So we're going to continue more and more proof in this unit. So I would say proof is kind of actually fun because you're just getting all the information as evidence and to prove what's next and what is the final statement. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching the video.